This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101. So how did you get title to the property? How did you become the owner? So by original entry, it was called tenancy by the occupancy. This would have been something that happened in the Great West of the United States. And what happened was the United States took ownership of the great middle of the country, and this was largely unoccupied land. Well, actually, the Native Americans occupied it, but the American government wasn't too worried about that. So it went ahead and said, well, this is basically unoccupied. If you'd like to have 40 acres, you can go out, and as long as you're going to live on those 40 acres, we're going to go ahead and allow you to do it. So the people would go out there who were looking for a new life and a new start and would do what's called stake a claim. They would go out and pick out a 40-acre tract that had been marked by the U.S. government surveyors and say, we're going to take tract 108 out of Plat X and all that. So it was a pretty interesting situation. So that was a title by occupancy, and you did have to live on the property in order to complete the ownership of that property. So how do we get there on the original part? Well, you get it from the United States. So if you get it directly from the government, that's what they mean by original entity. The most common way, obviously, to acquire real estate is a deed. And we're going to talk about different types of deeds in just a moment. And then, obviously, by will, many people inherit their family home and so forth.